Let my cockatiels keep cool because South Africa is having a heat wave, and there's Crypto. This is Parrot, Africa's mom's dog. He's old now. He's a bit of a mix of everything. Oh, and the power just went out. That's just great. It's just great when I'm middle of filming a vlog. I've got UPS backup. This is my little home. It's teeny weeny, but it's nice. Let me put the switches down so my things don't get power surged. And now we got a power failure. That's just great. This happens regularly in South Africa. My mom's bedroom, my humble bathroom. I've got to do re-flooring. My little bathroom. It's just perfect for two people. Yeah, we're the Southern Hemisphere. If you don't know where South Africa is, I've got lovely lots of greenery, wildlife, lots of birds. My cockatiels love it. And we got a lovely big garden, lots of greenery. Oh, look, and there's some vivet monkeys. We've got avocado trees. Oh, look, there's a mama and its baby. There we go, look, and there's a newborn. Oh, look, hello. Ah, there we go, they're climbing the trees. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. We've got lots of trees and greenery. So this is just a little bit of South Africa. We're in Durban inland. Ah, there's some more. Oh, there's some more vivets. Look at that. Look at that. Our country is a lot like Australia in a way. It's a warm climate. We're in winter and summer the same time as Australia, being the Southern Hemisphere. And this is a very rural area in South Africa. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to get more videos of the cockatiels. You can hear the birds chirping. They're loving summer. We've got lots of weavers and oddidos and crows. We've got a lot of yellow-billed kites in this area. Oh, there's a little birdie. Oh, there goes one. There's nothing better than the sounds of birds chirping in the morning and during the day. There we go, there's a little sparrow, guys. He's on the roof. And we also get honeysuckers in the area. Our area is a conservancy area, so there's lots and lots of wildlife.